In the state of Florida, we have very strong emphasis on metrics. Some of those metrics are tied to our rankings. And all along, we provided data to track how we're doing.
One of the things that Power BI in particular helped us do was we were able to begin to visualize patterns and trends for specific Gateway courses.
And because we're data informed, we said, who's affected?
One of the startling findings for us is that we were seeing students from traditionally underrepresented populations often disproportionately struggling in some of these Gateway courses.
So this is a great illustration of how we can use data in a meaningful way to transform the university. And our objective was, as established by the legislature, was to move into the top 25 in terms of national ranking of public universities. As it turns out, those rankings are really about student success, which ironically is what we've been working on all along. And we were able in 5 years' time to move from 43 to 18. And so what's happened is we've been able to leverage data and make strategic decisions. Those strategic decisions have affected the experience for our students on campus, but ultimately has affected where we are in those rankings. Part of the reason I'm still in my job is because I want to feel like I'm making a difference, working with people who are not only talking about the technical implementation, but the so what. And in Microsoft, I have a partner who's not just looking to answer the questions I have directly here at Florida State, but also they're helping to shape the future of higher education.